When I was at the university, I'd done quite a few projects, and one of them is the Talkers project, which we submit for D&AD. What we produced is a major talking point for individuals to talk about their mental health and to open up with their friends and family. We've created a social media campaign where they scan a QR code and they are able to create a post similar to what this is here. We also created this in physical form and created a major cardboard cutout of it using the laser cutters that are within university. So the initial project definitely took over 6 months to produce from initial concept, and we created a wide range of different concepts, what worked, what didn't, to really fine tune. So alongside the help of Charlotte, we managed to create the Talkers brief, and we created a range of different elements within the Talkers. So for instance, the point of sale, we created the crisp packets, changed the Walkers logo to Talkers to emphasize opening up. We created social media graphics, we created a case study video that explains the concept from start to finish, explaining the seems salty and sounds cheesy as conversation starters. We also created a app which people can go on to and type out their message and create a post like this that they can then share on social media or share it with their friends and family. The staff have supported me throughout this to create something that I would never thought I could do, as well as to really fine-tune my skills so I can go on and apply these to my freelance career. They've taught me so much that I wouldn't have been able to do before. After I graduate, I wish to continue my freelance career. I've been running it for the past 5 years, but the skills that I've gained, I want to continue applying them to my offering after university. Alongside graduating as well, I've got a job at Sunderland Futures, and they have employed me to redesign and rebrand the Sunderland Futures market materials and graphics, working alongside the team that they've got. To throw yourself in it and be a part of the course, come in, enjoy it. You're not going to get this opportunity ever again, so enjoy it while it lasts, because it certainly flies by, I tell you that one. And the team that you'll meet, the friends that will be with you moving forward, are like family to me. And I couldn't thank the university more for this opportunity than what I've got now, so thank you so much.